Welcome to Motorsports Mania, your ultimate destination for everything on wheels. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a curious buyer, or someone who simply loves the roar of an engine and the thrill of the drive, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Chevy Malibu, giving you a complete review covering its specs, features, design, performance, and everything in between. So buckle up as we explore what this midsize sedan brings to the table in 2025. The 2025 Chevy Malibu continues its legacy as a practical, comfortable, and efficient midsize sedan, with some subtle but important updates that keep it relevant in a market increasingly dominated by SUVs and crossovers. Chevy has retained the familiar silhouette of the Malibu, offering a sleek, aerodynamic design that still manages to look stylish without trying too hard. The front grille gets a refreshed look, and new LED headlights add a modern touch, giving the Malibu a more upscale appearance than previous models. Under the hood, the 2025 Malibu comes standard with a 1.5-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, producing 163 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque. This engine is paired with a continuously variable transmission (CVT) designed to provide smooth acceleration and improved fuel efficiency. For drivers looking for more power, the 2.0-liter turbocharged engine option delivers a more robust 250 horsepower, matched with a 9-speed automatic transmission, offering a sportier driving experience with more punch on the highway and during overtaking. One of the standout aspects of the 2025 Malibu is its fuel economy. The base engine delivers around 30 mpg in the city and 36 mpg on the highway, making it an attractive option for commuters and long-distance travelers alike. The suspension is tuned for comfort, soaking up bumps and imperfections on the road, which makes it an ideal daily driver. Inside the cabin, the Malibu feels more premium than its price tag might suggest. Soft touch materials, intuitive controls, and a driver-focused layout create an inviting and comfortable space. The infotainment system is anchored by an 8-inch touchscreen that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. Chevy's infotainment interface is one of the most user-friendly in the segment, with quick response times and clear graphics. Passenger space is generous, especially in the front seats, with plenty of legroom and headroom. The rear seats are comfortable for adults as well, and the Malibu offers a competitive trunk space of 15.7 cubic feet. Enough for luggage, groceries, or a couple of golf bags. The interior isn't overly flashy, but it nails the essentials with a practical and well-thought-out layout. Safety remains a priority, and the 2025 Malibu comes with a solid suite of standard features. These include forward collision alert, automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist with lane departure warning, and a rear-view camera. Higher trims add more advanced systems like adaptive cruise control, rear cross traffic alert, blind spot monitoring, and a parking assist system, enhancing both safety and driver confidence. When it comes to trims, the Malibu is available in several options including LS, RS, LT, and Premier. Each trim builds on the one below it, offering additional features and upgrades. The RS trim adds sporty elements like a rear spoiler and unique 18-inch wheels, while the Premier offers luxury-like features such as leather seating, a premium Bose sound system, and dual-zone automatic climate control. Ride quality is where the Malibu really shines for everyday drivers. It's not trying to be a sports sedan, but it offers enough agility and comfort to make daily commuting and weekend road trips enjoyable. Road noise is minimal, and the cabin remains quiet even at highway speeds. The steering is responsive and well-weighted, providing a confident feel behind the wheel. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Chevy Malibu starts around the mid-$20,000 range for the base model, with the fully loaded Premier trim nearing the low $30,000s. This puts it in a competitive position against rivals like the Toyota Camry, Honda Accord, and Hyundai Sonata. While it may not have the hybrid options offered by some competitors, it makes up for it with value, comfort, and reliability. Overall, the 2025 Chevy Malibu remains a solid choice in the shrinking midsize sedan market. With a comfortable ride, efficient performance, a smart interior layout, and a strong suite of tech and safety features, it's a car that continues to serve its target audience well. Whether you're a city driver, a family commuter, or someone looking for a no-nonsense sedan that checks all the right boxes, the Malibu is definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning into Motorsports Mania. If you enjoyed this video and want more reviews, car tips, and everything automotive, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay updated with our latest content.